How to draw Facebook logo using MS Paint application or Paint application. Open Paint application, select rectangle, draw a shape like this. Draw another rectangle like this. Draw another rectangle like this. Select curve tool and select difference color. Draw a curve like this and double click in this area. Draw another curve tool like this, double click here. Select fill tool and fill with green color. Select white color and fill this line with white color. Select selection tool and crop the excess area. Select line tool and draw a line like this. Fill with white color in this area. Now select a rounded rectangle and select green color. Draw a rectangle like this. Fill with blue color. Select fill tool and fill. Now select white color and fill this area. Now another Facebook logo is ready.